Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and today I'm going to show you what I bought from That Daily Deal. The link to That Daily Deal is in my description box. It is not a referral link, it's just a link to their website. So they have a lot of deals, imagine that, and I get some texted to me. That's a choice. You don't have to get texts. And I get some emails. That is also a choice. So I saw this, and for this set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scissors, it was $9.99, $10. So, you know, it's kind of weird because this was totally coincidental though, for real. My husband and I have a set of scissors in our kitchen, and they are so dull. Like I either need to just buy like a knife sharpener, or I need to just throw them away. And then I saw this in my email and I'm like, yes, I need those. So I've got some more scissors. It's, you know, the thing is every time you need a pair of scissors, there's none to be found. I don't even understand that. We have probably, huh?
Good idea.
Yeah. We have about maybe 3 or 4 pairs of scissors around this house. Every time we need a pair of scissors, it's like, where's the scissors? I don't know. It's kind of like those dryer balls. Do you guys have those dryer balls? Well, they disappear in my house. I don't even get that. Where do they go? But regardless, I also subscribe to That Daily Deal. They have something called the Mystery Box of Awesome, and you guys may have seen me open my Mystery Box of Awesome. Last month I received this from, or maybe it was this month, from the Mystery Box of Awesome. My daughter and her friend made a little claymation movie. So I'm going to go ahead and attach that into this video. It's like maybe 5 or 6 seconds long, but it was really cute. They're both teenagers, and it, you know, but they had fun doing it. And I will go ahead and attach that. So this is really a cute set. Anyway, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.